Welcome all of you. BSc second semester 4 Inorganic Chemistry topic Chemistry of Elements of 3D Series. Now in this topic we will discuss about position of elements in periodic table, also characteristics of 3D block elements. So some introductory part of this topic is like this. In modern era, D-block elements have wide spectrum of applications. Also, they have variety of complexes in which inorganic chemists are mainly interested. Hence, study of D-block elements becomes valuable. Generally, elements in the periodic table are classified into S, P, D and F block elements on the basis of their electronic configuration, where D block elements may be defined as elements having partially filled D subshell of N-1 main shell in their atomic state or in common oxidation state. These elements are also called transitional elements as they serve as bridge. Serve as a bridge between S and P block elements. So student, the D block elements are also called as the bridge between S and P block elements. Further, the transition of electron is possible, that is DD transition. Starting from fourth period, they consist of 4 series. First transitional series, as the last electron enter the 3D orbital, first transitional series is also called 3D block or 3D series. It includes 10 elements, for example, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. So here the symbol of scandium is Sc, symbol of titanium is Ti, symbol of vanadium V, chromium Cr, manganese Mn, iron that is Fe, cobalt Co, that is capital C small o, nickel Ni, copper Cu and lastly zinc, that is symbol Zn. Okay. Now next point is position of elements in periodic table, that is position of the 3D block elements in the periodic table. These elements, that is 3D, are placed in fourth period as each have 4 shells between alkali metal calcium 20 and P block element, that is Ga, that is gallium 31, and in groups 3 to 12 in the periodic table, as they commonly shows plus 3 oxidation state, that is valence. Okay. Now the next point is general characteristics, that is general characteristics of the 3D block elements. Here generally characteristics of these elements are given as they show typical metallic character and such as high melting point and high boiling point, high tensile strength, malleability, ductility, high thermal and electrical conductivity, metallic luster, that is metallic luster is called in Marathi chakaki, high density, etc. Second characteristics, they are catalyze number of reactions. Third, they have higher heat of vaporization. Next, number 4 characteristic, that is they form alloys. Next characteristics, they form interstitial compounds with non-metals like carbon, boron, nitrogen, etc. Next characteristic, most of them form colored compounds. That is, this is the particular characteristic of 3D block elements, that is most of 3D elements forms colored compounds. Next characteristic, they effectively form complexes. Next, almost all of them are paramagnetic in nature. That is, magnetism shows 3D block elements are paramagnetic one. Next characteristic, they exhibit variable oxidation states. Next, copper has outstanding thermal and electrical conductivities. Next characteristic, that is they form compounds with Lewis acids like CO, NO, etc. That is CO is carbon monoxide, that is capital C, capital O, and capital N and capital O called as nitric oxide, that is NO. Thank you.